Good morning, guys. And I think I forgot to show you last week when it rained a whole bunch that one day. My cactus fell over. Sad cactus. But anyways, the yard guys are on their way right now. Hence the reason I'm showing you, to fix it and do all the other yard maintenance. It's cold out here. I'm gonna go back inside. But yeah, I came home from work and it was just randomly all plopped on its side one day. So sad, because I like that cactus. But he's gonna like cut off a bunch of it and then replant a small piece, and then I'm gonna let him take the other ones with him, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, good morning. It's bright and frickin' early. I am really tired. But they texted me like 15 minutes ago and we're like, we're on our way, and I was like, oh, awesome. I don't enjoy sleep. So you guys come over and do the yard work right now. I'll just, not sleep. Good morning, guys. Okay, gotta sneeze. I almost forgot to film. See? All gone. They were gonna try to replant it, but he realized it probably wouldn't live. So they just made it look like it was never there. And since I have that one and then the other one on the other side plus that little one, I think it looks okay. Alright, time to get out of here. I'm so freaking tired. I need to wake up. I did not sleep that much. Oh, alright. I didn't mention it earlier, but tonight is the Christmas party for the restaurant. So Katie is here for a little bit. She can only stay a little because she's gonna wake up at like 6 in the freaking morning. But, oh, everybody walked away. My parents, or my mom's here. I haven't seen my dad yet. My sister, Matt, Nick, and then all the other people that work here. But this party's supposed to be starting soon, because, yeah. Oh. My mom's giving everybody a bag of these. I hope I get another bag. Those look delicious. What are you doing? They look good. You're welcome. Delicious foods. Delicious foods. Everybody's here, I think. My head is not in the right place. I was just filming you guys.
Shut up.
There's Rosemary. Alright, so the work Christmas party was awesome. I got some leftovers. And for my Secret Santa, the card, it's over here somewhere. But I got a $25 Del Taco gift card. And then my white elephant gifts were probably some of the best I've gotten yet. The original Evil Dead. And this is the actual DVD from 1982. And then the other white elephant I got was a bunch of melts, candle melts, for that thing I use over there. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you put the melts on the top and they melt and makes the whole room smell good. And a candle. So I got good stuff. Candles in a movie. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, well, it's actually pretty freaking late. And I am very tired. It's already past midnight. And I'm tired. Since I woke up at like 7:30 for the yard guys. Yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna go take a shower. Look at this plate of stuff my mom gave me. This looks delicious. I definitely shouldn't be eating some of this right now, but I'm going to because I wanna.